The only thing that was holding this thing on, this is what you gotta disconnect. You gotta disconnect this and the clamp that'll go around this little lip right here for the fuel tank, because we weren't able to detach that. That wasn't coming off. Then you come over here, you gotta detach this for the tail lights. This will rip off. You do not want that. Look at that, that wouldn't have reached. I don't know how that guy did it, but that wouldn't have reached. Neither would these have these license plate lights. You gotta undo those. Thank goodness, all of your rear lights are only in touch with that one plug, this one. So once you handle that, that's good. And nothing on this side. Only 6 other big bolts with a T50, with a T50 head. Get it. And then this is my new pump. It's a part of Delphi, whatever. All right, let's do it. So these are very interesting adapters. So this thing was, I thought you'd have to use this little adapter, but I don't think you do. This thing is like a C, and you have to pinch these and pull it so it opens up. And that, oh yeah, there we go, that popped off. And this one is almost the same, but it's fashioned a little differently. All right. Okay, so see the way that looks? You can see that? So you gotta pull this, whenever I secure it, I'm gonna push this back in and clap it. Whenever you open it, you gotta open this first and then pull this red part. This one is just a white collar, the C. So you gotta pinch right here and it'll open up, pull these out, and then here's another little doohickey right here, boom. And then,
does the new pump have that?
It has yeah, it has the cord and everything. So, ooh. Ooh. There she is. Took the heart of her out. Okay, so this one is out. This one's in. Okay. So everything is nice.
That's what it tells you if it's full or empty.
Yeah.
The little float.
Yeah, the little floater. Alrighty. So there goes in the new unit. Line it up with the holes. Not gonna plug it in yet. Go ahead and plug this one in first. So this is the out. Make sure it hugs on that. See what I'm gonna do? Clip, clap. Yeah. And then here for this one. Make sure this thing gets all the way past the collar. And yeah, that's it. And then this one, plug it. All right, I'm gonna change a fuel filter real quick, and that should be well, I can just run it. Let's see if it turns on. Let me screw this on. The last thing you need to replace is this fuel filter, okay? Just to keep the system all together and nice and clean, nice and new. What you're gonna do is take off the relay for the fuel pump, right here. This one right here, and then just to be safe, also undo the power positive on the battery. So you're gonna need one of these. Don't get the one at AutoZone, the metal one, it sucks. If you can get these at AutoZone, that's fine. Get them at Northern Tool, they're $2. At AutoZone, they're probably like $5. So I think this is gonna be the one that works, and this one will not, but we'll see. So it's underneath your driver's side. This is what it looks like. This is just like that C-clamp that I hit, that we had on the fuel pump. Let's see. So this guy, this is a piece that needs a special key. So there's a little part, boom, push that down, and you unlock that. And then, let's see. Alright, so it's a 1/2 inch to take off this bracket. On the other side of it, there's one screw. Okay, so this is what the inside of this thing looks like. It's just 4 of these things cinching on to this little nipple right there. And the one that worked was this blue one, the 3/8, not the 5/16, not the gray one. So that's how that went. And now I'm gonna change it. Yeah, you gotta twist a lot. So you get with those 2 lips on the little doohickey, do that in there, put it down. Oh. And then whenever you do get it fully engaged in there, just twist it with some channel locks. Twist this middle piece. Twist this thing with some channel locks as you're pushing that plastic piece in there around it, around the fuel filter pipette into this little nozzle right here. So that's how that's going. I'm gonna change this. I'm frustrated. This thing's been taking too long.